The Apprehension Engine was first dreamed up by film composer Mark Korven, known for his haunting score for The Witch. He was bored of the idea of using pre-made digital sounds for haunting thrillers. Mark wanted something organic, something new, and something haunting. So he contacted Tony Duggan-Smith, who is an instrument maker, creating guitars and musical instruments from wood and steel. Mark gave Tony a task: build him a horror machine. Something unsettling to those who hear it. So Tony dug around his store, finding parts from other instruments, and that is where the Apprehension Engine was born. The Apprehension Engine specializes in horrifying sounds using wood, strings, vibrations, and reverb tank, as well as metal rulers. The musical instrument we are building over the next few videos is based on version 1 of the Apprehension Engine. You will learn how to make the wooden box, add strings and pickups, a hurdy-gurdy wheel, and wire up the reverb tank. Basic woodworking skills is all you need. If you do not have these, feel free to team up with someone who can help you. A parent or grandparent may be a great mentor on this project. If you want to buy an original version, you can. Tony is selling version 2 from his website, although the first run has already sold out. However, we will be building our own for under $100. Who knows, you may be able to build it cheaper if you have the parts laying around. Remember, add your own flair. I will show you how to make the bare bones so you can play this haunting instrument, but I urge you to add your own sound makers on it and make it uniquely yours. In the next video, I will show you how to make the base and sides of the Apprehension Engine, which is in part 2 of this suite of videos.